Hello students, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the plant parts and its functions. So before going to the video, anyone who is new here on iAcademy, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon to get instant updates of our channel. And moreover, we have created a new Telegram group for our dear subscribers, and I'm very thankful that we have reached 100 subscribers on our YouTube channel. And keep on supporting us to make more and more videos like this. And we have created that Telegram group to clarify your doubts in no time, and the doubts will be clarified within just 24 hours, and linked to our Telegram group will be provided in the description given below. So let us start learning with plants, parts and its functions. So while learning about the plant parts and its functions, you need to know about the flowering and non-flowering plants. What is meant by flowering plant? Flowering plant are the plants which gives flowers, and they are known as cryptogams scientifically. And non-flowering plants. What is meant by non-flowering plants? The plants which do not give flowers are known as non-flowering plants. So they are known as phanerogams scientifically. So let us start learning with the plant morphology. Plant morphology is nothing but it deals with the external features of a plant or external characters of a plant. So there is nothing much to learn in this plant morphology, and it mainly includes the aerial part and the root system part, and this is the main thing you have to learn. And moreover, while learning about this plant morphology, it is more important to learn about its structure, development and its modifications. And these are the three important factors while learning about the plant morphology. So let us start learning about the plant morphology in detail and in a conceptual manner. The first part in learning of the plant morphology is the root system. So what is meant by the root system? So we have to learn what is a root. The underground part or the main axis of plant is known as a root. So root is positively geotropic. I mean, it is positive in direction towards the movements created by the earth. The root tip, we have the root tips over, right? Root tip. So the root tip is protected by root cap. And what this root cap does? Root cap helps in penetrating the root into the soil deeper, and this is the function of the root cap. In aquatic plants like Pistia and the Econia, the root caps are absent but the root pockets are present. And the largest root cap is seen in Pandanus. It is also known as the screw pine. And behind this root tips, there are the tuft of root hairs. And what this root hairs does, these root hairs helps in easy absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Let us start learning about the types of root system. So we have the taproot and the fibrous root system, and there are still another more systems. We'll be learning about them in detail. So let us learn about the tap root system. So what is meant by tap root system? It is a kind of root system where the root develops from the radicle, and from this primary root, secondary, tertiary and other rootlets will be arise. And from this rootlets, the unicellular root hairs will arise. And this kind of root system can be seen in dicot plants. For example, mango. Now, let us learn about the fibrous root system. In this kind of root system, the roots develop as cluster around the base of the plant. And as the primary root, as the main root is short-lived, it is covered by a bunch of fibers, and this is why this is called as fibrous root system, and this kind of root system can be seen in monocots, for example grass. And apart from this fibrous root system, and there is also another kind of root system called as the adventitious root system. In this kind of root system, the root develops from any part of the plant other than the radicle. So hence they are called as adventitious roots. And the one thing you have to remember is that all the fibrous roots are adventitious roots, but all the adventitious roots are not the fibrous roots. So, we hope you liked and enjoyed today's session. So, in our upcoming sessions, we'll be discussing about the special functions of roots, shoot system, and the special functions of stems in our upcoming sessions. So, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. See you in our next